Hello miniature fans, this is Christian again with another HO scale train miniature structure. This one is for a Victorian house stylized after a traditional Georgian mansion circa 1870s. It's the first house I've made that does not include the traditional hinge, but instead is accessed through the hollow bottom for lighting, painting, or customizing the interior spaces. Architecturally, this model is a stylistic merging of the Victorian and Gothic eras. Note the ornate gingerbread exterior with its balustrade sitting on a textured brick base. The curved entrance into the portico leads your eye upward to this high entry gable and oversized front door. The columns support decorative millwork which ascend to the second floor and wraparound balcony. The tower, along with the roofline, is decorated with fischscale tiles here and here. I also placed widow's walk railing to crown the roofline. The roof is punctuated with round dormers through which you can peek inside the house. They're located here, here, and back here. In the back, there's also a doggy door and a door to the basement right here. Now, I learned a lot from my previous design of a Gothic church, so I placed stained glass windows on the first and second floors. All the details in this house can be painted with any simple acrylic. There is a nice texture to the surface which grips the paint very well. It's made of PLA plastic. You do not need any special modeling paint. Most any acrylic will do. Overall, the house measures about 8 inches high by 6 inches wide, and it's available for purchase at goldrushbay.com. I'll put a link in the description below. For now, thank you so much for watching my video, and stay tuned for more models coming up from Gold Rush Bay, and happy modeling!